Okay, yeah.
It's 11:30 at night. My 2-year-old and my 3-year-old are awake, and they doing my hair. They lit.
Lele?
Yes.
Yele and power.
So anyways, I want to talk to you about generational wealth.
I want to start to power.
Y'all have to do it for your kids. You have to leave a legacy for your children. I have 3 kids.
What?
I have a 10-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 2-year-old. And they loud right now. They not even letting me talk.
Your hair is so pretty.
So anyways, you have to create generational wealth for your children. So what are you doing right now for your kids? What kind of legacy are you going to leave them? What type of generational wealth are you actually making, right? So they loud, I'm sorry. But anyway, so are you creating wealth and you're just going to wait for you to die and then transfer the wealth? Or are you becoming a millionaire and then simultaneously your children are becoming a millionaire right next to you? Your children need to be the second millionaire in your family if you're the first millionaire, and vice versa, right? So you have to actually be creating their wealth as well, not just your wealth. So for your kids, you can do stuff like create a YouTube channel for them. Give them like a vending machine, right? So what is it that your kids like? They like snacks, they like cookies, they like candy. So imagine if
I like vegetables.
They're loud. So imagine if they go to Costco and all of these places and are able to get the stuff that they need. You don't like candy?
No. I like vegetables.
In order to okay, Mama, you messing up my hair. In order to fill their vending machine. So think about creating passive income for your children, and then how are you going to invest that money, right? So if they have a YouTube channel, how are you going to invest the money? If they have a vending machine business, how are you going to invest the money? If you hire them in your business, you do?
Yeah,
I know
my
you.
business.
I know. You an entrepreneur?
Yeah, entrepreneur.
Oh.
Kelly have a business. Kelly have.
Both of you guys, the 2-year-old and the 3-year-old?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or a big girl.
They extra. But anyway, so you need to also be investing this money, right? So where are you investing the money? You need to have a UTMA account for your child. A UTMA, Uniform Transfer to Minor Act, okay? And with a UTMA, you can own royalties, real estate, you can own stocks, you can own any type of commodities, you can own anything, right? So your children are actually owning their own assets. You don't have to own the assets for them. So whatever you're investing in, if you're investing in stocks, if you're investing in an index portfolio, then your children... You're doing that on purpose. She's trying to interrupt me. Then you also need to be investing those same stocks. Okay, I have to finish the live. I can't. They extra. You also need to invest those same stocks for your children. So the same index funds, whatever portfolio you have for yourself, open up a UTMA account and invest in that same
video.
Right, because they have a YouTube channel. So you need to create that same thing for your child, okay? What else? An IUL, Index Universal Life Insurance Policy. Your children need to have a life insurance policy because if you overfund their policy, then by the time they're 18 years old, they do not have to work. So you have to think about that. That is how you create generational wealth for your child, okay? So one, create a business for them, either a YouTube channel, a vending machine, a t-shirt company, a lemonade stand, whatever it is that you need to. You need to do hair. That's what you need to do. Whatever it is that you need to do, okay? So create a business for them. 2, hire them in your business.
Your fever.
Is that a thermometer?
Yeah, thermometer.
Okay. 2, hire them in your business. So, legally, per the IRS tax code, you can pay your child up to whatever the limit is, which is like $12,950. Okay, so you can actually hire your child as an employee in your business and pay them, and they don't have to pay taxes on that money. So think about that, right? Because that money, that $12,000, you are actually writing it off on your taxes on the business side, and then your child doesn't have to pay any taxes on it. And what happens to that $12,950? It goes into their UTMA account. So now you need to have a UTMA account with whatever brokerage you want. Let's say you want Fidelity, Vanguard, whoever you want, right? Pick a brokerage. I like Fidelity just because you can actually own an index fund for free, right? You can invest, you'll have a 0% expense ratio. So I do Fidelity for my children, and they doing my hair right now. So I know I look crazy, but I don't care. Okay. I'm still going live. I'm still serving right now. And I'm letting you guys know, giving y'all the tea.
Oh, hi, Daddy.
They messed up my hair. But anyways, so back to what I'm saying. So you invest in index funds for your children. Low expense index funds with 0 expense ratios. Okay, so there is a certain allocation that you need, right? One is U.S. domestic equities. The other one is international. The other one is emerging markets. Then you want bonds. Okay, so you want inflation protected bonds. And then the last one is REITs, real estate investment trust. Okay, so that is the portfolio for your child for the UTMA account, the Uniform Transfer to Minor Act. And last is their insurance policy. You need to have an insurance policy for your child. Okay, they need an index universal life insurance policy. You need to overfund it. So for my children, based on their age, I fund it with $16,000 per year. Okay. And it's going to grow and accumulate. With an index fund, you can make anywhere between 0 to 10% a year. So imagine your child, one, making, let's say 10% in their UTMA account, and then two, making 10% in their index fund. Okay, so think about that when you are creating generational wealth. I'm sorry for my hair, my appearance, and my loud children, but they about to be millionaires, okay? So have a good night.
No, I'm haircut.